Now we're at the part where we can re-oil the rotor. Now, different guys out there use different fluids to re-oil the rotor. I use just regular automatic transmission fluid. It's like this Telechron 3 Mercon. Find it in any Walmart or auto parts store. So I have another one of these ex-Soviet Union glass syringes that I epoxied the bigger needle onto, and what I'm going to do is draw up some of this automatic transmission fluid into this. Now, the word I heard is 0.65 milliliters, and that's really not a lot at all. So I'm going to pull that up. All right. And then I'm just going to simply take the syringe, stick it in the hole, press the plunger. All right. Now, after I've done that, I'm going to take my thumb and I'm going to cover that hole. And what I want to do is just shake it around different directions and spread the fluid in there, because I'm going to test it here, and I don't want to test it without any fluid being in there. So I'm just going to move it around different directions, about 20 seconds each way. Let the oil move around in there. All right, now here's something I didn't mention in my last video on reoiling a rotor. What I'll typically do is just take a very small amount of transmission fluid and just put just a dot right there on the where the gear comes out. This gear, by the way, if you pull it, should move back and forth. If it doesn't go back and forth, it's a problem. And I'm not talking about a lot, it's just a little bit, but it does move back and forth. So now that I've got oil in there, and I've shaken it around a bit, what I want to do now is put this rotor on my coil and just hook up some electricity and see what happens. So all right, let's see if I can get it while it's in there. Again, the front of the coil is the side that has the post sticking out towards you. The top of the rotor has that little gear on the top. So we'll go ahead and hook up some electricity now and just see see what happens. See if it makes any noise. See if it turns. Okay, so now I've got it hooked up to electricity. There it is, turning. Let's see if I get a little closer so you can see that. So that little gear there turns counterclockwise. All right. So now what I'm going to do is just leave this on test, probably for a couple hours. Just let the oil move through there. And while that's going on, I'm going to take a look at the movement, putting it back together.